episode, we'll see some important terminologies, words, equipment starting in letter C. Conductivity. A material's ability to conduct an electrical charge important in water treatment as an indication of impurities and some hydrocarbons static risk. Unit of conductivity is microsiemens per centimeter or micromole per centimeter. Conductivity further referred as electrical conductivity, a measure of material's ability to conduct an electric current. Conductivity electrolytic, the electrical conductivity of an electrolyte in solution. Ionic conductivity in solid state is electrical conductivity due to ions moving position in a crystal lattice. Hydraulic conductivity is a property of a porous material's ability to transmit water. Thermal conductivity is an intensive property of a material that indicates its ability to conduct heat. Now we can see about the conductivity in water treatment. In water treatment, TDS, that is total dissolved solids, indicates the amount of dissolved solids in water measured in ppm or parts per million or milligram per liter. High TDS in water will increase the conductivity of water and indicates the ability to corrode and scale the lines or vessel where the water is flowing. The thumb rule for between TDS and conductivity is 1 ppm of TDS will approximately give 1.5 micromole per centimeter or microsiemens per centimeter. Polished water is ultra pure water and dam water has less TDS, that is, has lesser conductivity, which is used in high pressure boilers to avoid corrosion and scaling. This is a conductivity due to the presence of dissolved solids in water. We'll see some more important terminologies in the coming slides. In this slide, we'll see some more important terminology starting in C. Conduction. In thermal, conduction is the process by which the energy is transmitted through collision between neighboring atoms or molecules. Conduction occurs more readily in solids and liquids where the particles are closer together than in gases, where particles are further apart. Transference of heat through a substance or from some substance to another and the two substances are in physical contact is called thermal conduction. In fire tube boilers, the heat of flue gases is transferred through the wall of the tubes by thermal conduction, heating the water and ultimately creating steam. Convection is another important word. Convection is the process of heat transfer by the bulk movement of molecules within fluids such as gases and liquids. The initial heat transfer between the object and the fluid takes place through conduction in boiler, but the bulk heat transfer happens due to the motion of the fluid. Natural convection results from difference in density caused by temperature differences. The heating surface in boiler furnace area heat is received primarily by radiation. The remaining heat surface in steam boilers receive heat by convection from the hot flue gases. Heat received by heating surface travels through metal by conduction, then heat is transferred from metal to the water by convection. Now we can see another important word, CNG, compressed natural gas. It's an eco-friendly alternative to gasoline. CNG is made by compressing natural gas, that is methane mainly, down to less than 1% of its volume. CNG fuel is safer than gasoline and diesel because it is non-toxic and does not contaminate groundwater. Also, CNG is more safer for use in automobiles. It is light and goes up the air in case of burst accident and hence practically less chance of fire damage. On the other hand, LPG when catches fire it remains low on the ground, so explosion and other burning damage is more. CNG is more clean fuel and environmental friendly. CNG costs less pollution as compared to the other source of fuels like coal, And CNG is used in automobiles. Compared to LPG, the mileage will be more than the LPG. Nowadays, more vehicles are using CNG as a fuel, as alternative fuel for gasoline or diesel. We'll see some more important terminology in the coming slides. In this slide, we'll see important equipment starting in letter C, conveyors. Conveyor system is a standard piece of mechanical handling equipment to move goods, products, raw goods, and other materials from one location to another. They are extremely handy for heavy goods, sharp items, raw materials, and mass-produced products. Some of its benefits are advantages of using belt conveyors are it is easy and fast transportation of materials from one location to another. It reduces labor costs and improves productivity, prevents human injury and product damage while transportation. The multi-floor material movement made easy, very helpful in truck loading and unloading. The conveyors it can be in horizontal movement or in vertical. You can see different types of conveyors and their uses. Belt conveyor is normally used in mining industry, bulk handling, process industry, taking ores from the shaft to the ground level, automotive automotive industry, transport industry, and courier industry. Back you can see you might have seen baggage handling and packaging in airport in many places also in malls packaging is also used to transport through belt conveyor. Next one is roller conveyor. It is used in food control, logistics, packaging, mail delivery service, baggage control, steel making, design and manufacturing industries. Next one is a power loader conveyor. It is used in material handling, food handling, steel making and packaging. A magnetic conveyor it is used to move magnetic that is ferrous materials in the form of machining scrap. As due to magnetic property, ferrous material is transported using this magnetic conveyors. Chute conveyor used for material handling systems from gravity to transport products from one level to another level along smooth surfaces. Pneumatic or vacuum conveyors it is used in dust collection, paper handling, ticket delivery, and as well as process like chemical, minerals, scrap, and food industry. Another important conveyor is screw conveyor or auger conveyor, mainly used for semi-solid materials like animal feed, aggregates, food waste, wood chips, meat, municipal solid waste, and boiler ash. And another important conveyor is bucket elevators, vertical conveyor category mean to move flowable bulk materials like fertilizer and grains using buckets. Hope you might understand some important materials starting in C. Do not forget to subscribe, share it with your friends and colleagues. Put your like and comment in the comment box. We'll see the schematic diagram of the some of conveyors in the coming slide. In this slide, we'll see some important types of conveyors. Then the schematic diagram of some conveyors. Types of conveyors are belt type, roller, powered roller, slat type, apron type, ball transfer, magnetic bucket, tube type, drag chain, toe, overhead pneumatic vacuum, screw or hanger, vertical vibrating, walking beam, and wheel type of conveyors. This is a schematic diagram of some of the conveyors. This is a flat belt conveyor. The belt is used in horizontal and flat, and is inclined belt conveyor. Here the inclination is be there. It is from the inclination from the product side to the storage it is normally used, and this is plastic modular belt conveyor, and this is the packaging belt conveyor used in airports. This is roller conveyor. This is rollers for the conveying items, and this is powered roller conveyor, and this is a slat conveyor. That is, slats are used to convey the material. This is chain slat conveyor, and this is a screw conveyor or auger conveyor. These are some of the schematic diagram of some belt conveyors used in industries. Do not forget to subscribe. Please share with your friends and colleagues. Put your like and comment in the comment box. See you with some more important terminologies, words or equipment starting in C in the coming episode. See you. Thank you very much. See you.